Much drier day today in southwest Florida. As we told you yesterday, the atmosphere getting a lot drier at the mid and upper levels, and our sea breeze, well, it appears to be the dominant wind right now. I was just checking the current observations. Looks like the sea breeze is almost right along I-75 right here. Not surprisingly, the showers that are popping up right along I-75 and actually just a little bit to the east of I-75 right now. Let's take a look at this one, moving very, very slowly, but still, we use our street level mapping. Boy, this one's almost stationary. There's Lee Boulevard and Gunnery Road right in the heart of Lehigh there. That's a shower that doesn't contain any thunder and lightning, at least according to our observations. However, couldn't rule out the possibility, maybe 1 or 2 lightning strikes, but really this looks like it's going to be a very quiet evening. Just south of Immokalee, another shower that's very, very stationary. Let's take a look at our future scan. This is the way the radar looks right now. Over the next hour, the shower's just not moving all that much, maybe a few more developing over the interior, but they're going to be very isolated. So we'll mention a few showers and thunderstorms through about 8:30, 9 o'clock. They're mainly going to be east of I-75, mainly clear at midnight, and then a great start at 5 a.m. with 75 degrees. Maybe a degree or two cooler in your neighborhood. Here's the big change. Yesterday, we were watching a lot of this tropical moisture move up on Florida. One of the reasons why it was rainy. We also had an upper level low kind of in the mix. Now, the atmosphere getting a little bit drier. Here's the moisture to the south of us, and with that drier air in place right now, obviously we're not seeing much rainfall, but the question is, will the dry air stick around for the weekend? Here's meteorologist Michelle Cunningham with the answer.
That's right. It looks like the dry air going to stick around at least for the first part of the weekend. We're going to see it in place tomorrow as well. So really tomorrow going to be kind of a carbon copy of today. Showers and thunderstorms started late this afternoon, and that will be the case tomorrow as well. So if you have outdoor plans, looking pretty good. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Winds are going to be very, very light throughout the day. So any showers that do pop up, and you see there are a few out there, they will move very slowly as we're seeing today. And then as we get into Sunday, it looks like that's going to be the wetter of the 2 days of the weekend, as we have some deeper moisture coming in play. That easterly wind is a little bit more prominent, and you can see already showers and thunderstorms on the east coast very early, and then they make their way across to the west coast of Florida. So good rain chance on Sunday. So if you have to pick one day to be outside, definitely Saturday is going to be the better as far as how dry it's going to be out there. We're looking at 86-degree water temperature, easterly winds turning onshore for the boaters at about 5 to 10 knots, seas at 1 to 2 feet with just a light chop on the bay and inland waters. Power of 4 zones, again, very dry tomorrow. We're looking at hot and steamy conditions with some afternoon rain in the forecast. Winds are going to be very light throughout the day. For our harbor zone, starting off with maybe a little bit of patchy fog in portions of Punta Gorda. Other than that, some possible afternoon showers and a couple thunderstorms with isolated rain in the coastal zones, and then maybe a few showers along the beach. But again, it looks like most of the activity tomorrow going to be isolated and then moving a little bit deeper inland. Sunday going to be a little bit more active for us out there. So we're isolated tomorrow, scattered storms in the forecast for you on Sunday, and then just our typical rainy season pattern over the next couple of days. The tropics have been active, but again, no threats to the United States whatsoever. So as far as the activity goes, it's in high gear right now, but nothing we're concerned with over the next few days. And of course, weather in your inbox, we can deliver it to you and personalize that forecast. Fox4Now.com. Scroll down, type in your email address, and we'll send it to you each and every morning.